Art has always been a testament to human brilliance. From the dawn of cave paintings to the splendor of Renaissance masterpieces, every era has introduced groundbreaking tools and techniques. Today, we stand on the brink of another monumental revolution: AI-generated content. But what does this signify for the future of creativity? Some fear that AI will overshadow the authentic artist. But history shows us that new tools don't replace the artist. They amplify their potential. Photography was once dismissed as mechanical, yet it unveiled new realms of expression. Digital music was critiqued for lacking soul, but it transformed the way we experience sound. AI is no different. It's not the end of creativity, but a new dawn. Many still fear this transformation. The fear of being replaced runs deep. The fear that creativity itself is losing its essence. But AI does not replace the creator. It extends their reach. The soul, the narrative, the emotion. These still originate from the creators behind the scene. Some people also imagine it to be effortless. But nothing could be further from the truth. A 4-minute film may take up to 40 hours to shape. Prompt by prompt, scene by scene, emotion by emotion. This is no trick of the machine. It is the labor of the modern artist, expressed through new hands. Join us as we explore how AI is revolutionizing the creative landscape. One pixel, one note, one word at a time. Welcome to the evolution of art. If this resonates, speak it, share it, and help shape the future.